In this video, I'm going to talk a bit about how chemical symbols for the elements are used, as well as what some of the numbers mean that are attached to them. Here I have three elements written down: H, O, and Al, either with numbers or without numbers. When an element symbol is written without a number, that just means that there is a single one of them. So we just got a single little hydrogen atom there, or H atom. For the O, it has a 2 attached to it. So O being oxygen, and the 2 meaning that there are 2 of them that are bonded to each other. And finally, with Al, aluminum, with the 3 on the end means that there's 3 of these bonded to each other. So Al, Al, and Al. Now, you're not going to always find elements sitting by themselves with numbers. They are going to be joined up into compounds, mixtures of 2 or more elements. For example, we have H2O, more commonly known as water. H2O is made up of 2 hydrogens and an oxygen. The 2 hydrogens we know because of that 2 that appears right after the hydrogen, and the oxygen doesn't have a number immediately afterwards, so there's just a single one of those. Then another molecule or compound is H2O2, which consists of 2 H's and 2 O's, 2 hydrogens, 2 oxygens. Let's now take this a step further. I'll write down one example of a compound called hydrogen carbonate, H2CO3. So that one consists of 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 carbon atom, the C, and then 3 oxygen atoms, O, O, and O. And another one I will write down is Ca3 PO4 2. A little bit more complicated there, and I'm starting to include brackets in there. So the Ca3, which is calcium, means, just like before, that there are 3 calcium atoms. The PO4 in brackets with the 2 on the outside means that there are 2 PO4 molecules, each consisting of a phosphorus and 4 oxygens. I'm not going to write down all the circles for that. It would take a little while to do that. But that's what the brackets with the 2 on the outside means, is that there are 2 of these in existence. So if I were to do another one that said CO3 and in brackets a 4 on the outside, then that would mean that there are 4 of these CO3 molecules, each with their own C and their own and 3 oxygens there. And I'll just do the circles around those ones, doing the individual things.